Everyone is looking for convenience and efficiency, and that's one thing that the B2B portal certainly provides. You can log on, you can get your own access codes, you've got all your products there, it looks great, and you can place an order whenever you like. You don't even need to talk to someone. It's like placing an order online, so it's really easy to use. Hi, I'm Dan Panaleo, one of the owners of the world famous Pinjarra Bakery. We're located in Pinjarra, Western Australia. We fell into our bakery business by accident about 22 years ago. My parents, with absolutely no baking experience at all, decided that they would start a bakery within their deli. And look, we employ about 70 people all up. We're a family-run, owned and operated business. There's mum and dad, brother, sister and myself involved. And we're extremely passionate about the business which we've created and that we've grown. The things that makes us unique is that we believe we're in the business of putting a smile on our customers' face. And look, we're extremely famous for all our national awards that we've won over the years, and in particular our invention pies, which, you know, it's not uncommon you walk into our store and you could get yourself a steak, caramelised onion and camembert pie, or even double bacon cheeseburger pie. Look, we really push the limits in what we can enclose in a pastry, and look, we love it. So the way we're managing inventory before we were introduced to Unleash, it was pretty much through spreadsheets and a hell of a lot of paperwork. It was extremely messy, and it wasn't very pleasant to be around because we just didn't have a clue what was going on in our stores. So since adopting Unleashed, I think the biggest thing we've achieved is flexibility in our business and integration. I could be anywhere around the world and I could jump on my phone onto the app and know exactly what's going on in my business at any point in time, and that's priceless to me. Someone who's here, there and everywhere at any particular day, it's nice to be able to have that. About 7 years ago, I believe, when we were switching over our accounting software, and through that I noticed Unleash, and at the time I was definitely in the market for a solid inventory package. So I signed up for a free trial at the time. I put as much data as I could in it of ours, and I put it through its paces for a couple of weeks, and from there I thought it was ideal for what we needed. How we manage our inventory across our stores these days is we have a central distribution where all our stores order through the business-to-business portal, and all the data feeds into Unleash. So we will receive an order for a supplier from all the stores, and from our distribution we can then generate a purchase order through Unleash to that supplier, and it then gets delivered. The reason why we decided to adopt the B2B store was, as we were growing so rapidly, we were finding that it was creating a lot of internal paperwork for our distribution manager, where she was spending up to 3-4 hours a day just entering the store's orders as they would come in. So when we saw that the B2B portal was up and running, we jumped on it because we knew that it would be capable of eliminating that process where the stores could jump on at any given time, place their order, and it would feed directly into Unleashed. So since moving across to the B2B portal, it's probably saved us in the ballpark of $30,000 to $40,000 a year in wasted time, and that's from all store levels, and in particular our distribution manager, who was entering all the orders for us, and it's also increased accuracy in our orders phenomenally. We decided to start selling wholesale about 6 months ago. You know, as a business and a family who's always looking to grow and evolve the business, we just sort of felt it was the next step for us moving forward. And you know, over the last couple of years, we invested a lot of time and money into technology and infrastructure for our bakehouse facility, and once we had all that in place, we knew it was time to move, and it was time for others to enjoy our products, which we've been working on for so long. I guess one of the things we overlooked moving to the wholesale was the fact that different customers of different sizes have different volumes and different product ranges that they like. So the B2B portal allowed us to set different price tiers depending on the customer, and also to be able to create product catalogues, which gave us flexibility to allow customers to only see the products that we wanted them to see. So the plans are for the Pinjarra Bakery moving forward is we have more stores in the pipeline over the next 6 to 12 months, and we're going to continue to expand our wholesale model, not just locally, but we're going to try and push that nationally, and we'd love to be able to export our pies internationally. As a business owner, I believe that these days we need to dedicate ourselves to the service of others and be an obligation to our staff, our suppliers, and most importantly our customers. And I think once we truly understand what obligation means, we do anything we can, and it's really a game changer for businesses who understand that.